Hi guys, it's me. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open all these packages. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I just got off work and I saw this really hot guy outside of McDonald's and he smiled at me. I don't know. He was just so beautiful and I don't know, I just felt so happy just looking at his face. So weird. So I'm gonna open this. Oh my god, I was just thinking about this shirt. Okay, I literally was at work thinking about this shirt. Okay, so this is the shirt. It says something, it says little tooth, but this is size large. Yeah. And then I'm just gonna open all these. I don't even care anymore. I want to hurry up and go back to McDonald's. Literally, bro. Okay, so anyway, here's the pants that I got. And literally, so that's what those look like. It says Savage on them. These are size XXXL. I might have gotten them too big, but literally, size XL is always too small, so I don't even know. So I don't know and I don't care because whatever. I'll just tailor them. So literally, I don't even know. I just want to open all my packages, guys. That guy was so hot, I'm sorry. But literally. Okay, and then here's this shirt. This is size large. Says Monster on it. So cute. Look at it. I get the cutest shit, I really do. So there's that. And then here's this crop top that I got. I expected all of these in the mail. So this is size large. Looks like it'll fit. I'm glad I got size large. Okay. That guy kind of looked like my friend's boyfriend, but it wasn't. And I know it wasn't because he wouldn't be outside of McDonald's. I know him. He works 12-hour shifts at nighttime and he'll be sleeping all day anyway. Plus I know it wasn't him. Just because, I don't know, his face was different, but he looks similar. But, I'm sorry, I just, literally, bro, I don't know. He was so hot. And then here's this skirt that I got. I got this beautiful skirt with little bows on it. So cute. And it's got, little slits. You see those slits? Yes, you do, girl. That's size large. Everything I get is size large, okay? That's the theme here, size large, because I'm size large. In China, I'm size large. And, okay, this one, I did not expect this to be this material, but this one says, "Till death do us part." And this one's really cute, but, it might be too big, but it also might be too small. I think it might fit perfect, actually. I did not expect this nice velvet. I expected it to be rough. So there's that. I'm sorry I'm going so fast, literally. But yeah. Okay, so there's that. So literally, I'm just gonna open these up. So this came with a free necklace that's this crystal thing. I love it. Thank you. Oh, so this is a pair of these weird Lolita pants that are size large, and they come with little bows that go right in the middle. That's what I got, and they're size large. Like I said, everything's size large. And then here's the shirt I got that I already know is too small for me because I tried on that shirt before. And this one, some of them fit, some of them don't. That one should fit. So this is a baby doll shirt. That's what I would call it because I know it's really weird, but I would totally, hopefully it'll cover my tentacles. If it doesn't, well, whatever, bitch. So, and then they give me a gift, which is this nice neon hoodie for free. I can use that. Thank you. So yeah, that's what I got today. Have a good day, everybody. Oh yeah, let me show you this shirt, I guess, because I already got a shirt that looks like this, but I didn't open it. So like, oh, this is not the one I thought it was. So that's what that looks like. And these are both like the same, you know. So yeah, everyone have a good day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.